This is the Dallas Morning News.
It's Friday, May 16th. A mix of sun and clouds today with a bit of humidity and a high of 88. More clouds will move in this evening with a low of 73. The weekend will be a wet one in the DFW area with the potential for severe thunderstorms both Saturday and Sunday. The highs will be in the upper 80s with overnight lows in the mid 70s. Here are today's headlines. Healthcare workers in Texas would have whistleblower protections for reporting legal, regulatory, and ethical violations under a bill the Senate passed on Thursday. The lawmakers voted 21-10 to send the proposal to the House. The legislation would prohibit healthcare facilities, local governments, public officials, medical schools, and state agencies, such as the Texas Medical Board, from taking adverse actions against a doctor or healthcare provider who reports such concerns. Senator Brian Hughes, a Republican from Mineola, said Senate Bill 2043 promotes free speech and patient safety. In brief remarks Wednesday, he referenced a North Texas doctor who was accused by federal prosecutors of illegally obtaining private information on patients who were not his and sharing it with a conservative activist to harm the Texas Children's Hospital in Houston. The activist reported that the hospital was covertly providing transgender care to minors. Though such care was legal at the time, the hospital in 2022 said it would stop gender-affirming care. A statewide ban on gender-affirming care for minors took effect in September 2023. Dr. Ethan Haim, a self-described whistleblower, pleaded not guilty in June to 4 counts of wrongfully obtaining individually identifiable health information. Federal prosecutors dropped charges against him in January. In other news, police are seeking the public's help to find a 76-year-old woman who was taken from an assisted living facility in Denton earlier this week. Karen May Taub was last seen about 5 p.m. Monday at the Willow Bend Assisted Living and Memory Care located in the 2100 block of Brinker Road. A silver alert was issued Tuesday. According to police, an arrest warrant has been obtained for Eva Herron of Michigan, who is suspected of removing Taub from the facility without consent. Herron and Taub's whereabouts were unknown Thursday, but police said the pair may be traveling together in a white 2018 Ford F-150 with Michigan license plate DXZ9489. Next up, Post Malone will headline the 2025 Cattle Barons Ball, an annual North Texas party that's the world's largest single-night fundraiser for the American Cancer Society. The grapevine-raised rapper turned country singer was revealed as the headliner Wednesday night at a private party in Dallas. Also announced was the event's VIP stage performer, Chandler Walters, who wrote several songs on Post Malone's 2024 country crossover album, F1 Trillion, including the hit duet, I Had Some Help, featuring Morgan Wallen. The Cattle Barons Ball will take place October 25th at South Fork Ranch in Parker. And the Dallas Stars will at the very least need another game to clinch their spot in the Western Conference Finals. With a chance to end the series at Canada Life Center in Game 5 in Winnipeg, the Stars' offense went cold again as the Jets secured a 4-0 win to force Game 6. The Stars still hold a 3-2 series lead with the opportunity to end it on home ice on Saturday. Thanks for listening. For more on today's stories and the latest breaking news, visit dallasnews.com. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll be back on Monday with more from the Dallas Morning News.